Good morning, students. Today we are going to start practice set 1.2. In the last lecture we have done practice 1.1. Today we will start practice 1.2. Listen carefully. See the question carefully. First question: the following table shows points on a number line and their coordinates. Decide whether the pair of the segment given below the tables are congruent or not. So what is given here? The points are given, the points A, B, C, D, E, and their coordinates are given. So we have to find out whether the pair means, see, D is one and AB is one segment. So these are called pairs, two. They are called pair. We have to find the distance and we have to say they are congruent or not. Congruent means what? Equal. The distance between D and AB, if they are equal, we say congruent. If they are not equal, we say they are not congruent. So first we'll find out what is the coordinate of D. What is here? -7. E, the coordinate is what? 9. So first we'll find out the segment D. Segment means what? Length only, or can say distance. DE. What is the formula? Distance formula? Larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now in this, which is the larger coordinate, students? 9. So larger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate, -7 in bracket. Okay, so that is 9. Minus into minus plus 7. Therefore the length, or you can say distance, DE is equal to 16. We can write this as units. Any doubt, students? Now we'll find out the second segment AB distance. What is the coordinate of A? Is -3. And what is the coordinate of B? 5. So length of AB, or you can say segment AB also. Distance, how to find out? Once again, what is the formula? Larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. In this, which is the larger coordinate? -3 or 5? 5. So larger coordinate minus, which is a smaller coordinate? -3. It is negative, so we have to take in bracket. That is 5. Minus and minus is what? Plus. So 5 plus 3 is how much, students? 8. So length of AB is equal to 8 units. Now compare both the distance. The distance of D is 16 units. The distance of AB is what? 8 units. Are they equal? They are not equal. Okay. Therefore we can say segment D is not congruent to segment AB. Understand, students? If their distance are same, we say congruent. Since the distance are not same, we say they are not congruent to each other. Can I go for the next one? Now see the next question. Second question. Segment BC and segment AD will find. Segment DC and segment AB. First we'll find out the coordinate of B. What is the coordinate of B here? 5. What is the coordinate of C? 2. Okay. Therefore the length BC, or you can say distance once again. What is the formula for distance? Larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Which is the larger coordinate here? 5 minus smaller coordinate 2. So length BC is equal to 3 units. Any doubt? Now we'll find out the segment AD's distance. So what is the coordinate of A? -3. Coordinate of B is what? -7. Right? So the length of AD, the formula I think all of you know now. Larger coordinate. Which is the larger coordinate? -3 or -3. In minus, what happened? The smaller number is the larger coordinate in negative. So larger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Okay, that is minus 3, minus and minus is plus 7, that is length of AD. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4 units. The distance, what is the distance of BC? 3 units. Distance of AD is what? 4 units. Either they are congruent or not. They are not congruent. So we can say segment BC is not congruent to segment AD. Okay, students, any doubt? See carefully, any doubts are there? Now we move to the third sum of this one. That is segment B, correct? Segment B segment BE and segment what? AD. The third question, segment BE and segment AD. Okay. First, we'll find out the segment of BE. That's the length of. What is the coordinate of B? 5. E. The coordinate is what? E is how much? 9. So the length of BC, larger coordinate minus small coordinate, is what? 9 minus 5. That is length BC is equal to 4 units. Then you have to find out the length of what? AD. So what is the coordinate of A? Minus 3. What is the coordinate of D? Minus 7. So length of AD. Length of AD. What is the formula? Larger coordinate. Which is the larger coordinate here? Minus 3. Minus of minus 7. That is minus 3 plus 7. Therefore length AD. What is 7 minus 3? How much? 4 units. They are congruent or they are not congruent? They are congruent. Therefore we can say segment BC is congruent to segment AD, because both their distance are what? Same. So we say segment BC is congruent to segment AD. Any doubts, students?